Hey friends, welcome back to At Home with Sonja, where we dive into all things home and seasonal decor. The holidays are behind us, and HomeSense has just started rolling out their new spring decor, and I couldn't wait to take you along with me to see what's fresh and inspiring this season. After the cozy holiday vibes, it's always refreshing to explore the light, bright, and cheerful pieces that are perfect for spring. If you are as excited as I am to get inspired by beautiful decor, stick around because you're going to love what's in store. Let's head in and explore. One thing HomeSense does so well is vases or vases. They always have such a variety of shapes, sizes, and even some dupes from high-end stores. Trust me, I've snagged bedding here before that was the same brand as Crate and Barrel carries. And speaking of great finds, they had a huge selection of storage baskets, wicker, lidded, and so on, all at a really reasonable price. Perfect for sprucing up your home organization this season. They're also bringing in those trendy spring hues like dark sage green and moodier tones. If you missed my recent video on 2025 decor trends, I'll link it up here so you can catch up on what's in style. There was even some grand millennial style decor like vintage blue floral vases and pots, which are so charming. Let me know if you're into that look. As for florals, they're still building their selection, but there were some pink perfect for Valentine's Day or early spring. I also checked out the candles, lots of fresh scents, and even browsed their coffee table books, which were about $30. Not as budget friendly as thrift store, but still a good find compared to their other retailers. I absolutely love all the little furniture pieces they had in store. I'm such a fan of the natural wood look, and they had so many beautiful options that would add warmth and character to any space. I also checked out their area rugs. They had a great variety from small mats to large rugs, and their front entryway mats, where I spotted a few cute Valentine's Day designs. I love the wood accents in the kitchen section, cutting boards, bowls, and even this adorable sheep-shaped cheese board that's perfect for spring entertaining. And how gorgeous are these gold tea kettles? They add such a lovely touch to any kitchen. When it comes to linens, there was definitely a solid selection of Valentine's themed items, especially in the kitchen towels. While they didn't have much of a spring specific options just yet, I did come across a couple of natural looking designs that I really loved. If I were buying new linens right now, I definitely go for these. They're neutral enough to work for spring and versatile enough to use year round or layered with seasonal accents. I've been considering a little spruce up in my master bedroom and master bathroom, so I made a point to browse through those sections. They had some great pieces that sparked ideas from natural wood accents to cozy blankets and decor that could really elevate those spaces. I'm still gathering inspiration, but I'm excited to see where it takes me. In the linens and blankets, I spotted some amazing deals like a Pottery Barn dupe blanket for just $60. It's easily double that at Pottery Barn. While I'm on the hunt for a king size bedding set, I couldn't help but reminiscing about a green pattern set I had years ago that seems to be back in style. Maybe I should have kept it. The pillow selection was stunning, neutral tones on one side, moodier colors on the other. I'm trying to buy less pillows and stick to pillow covers to save space and switch things up seasonally without the clutter. That's it for today's HomeSense Spring Decor Shop with me. They're just starting to roll out their collection, so I'll definitely be back to see what else they bring in as we get closer to spring. Let me know in the comments which trends or pieces you're loving so far. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more decor inspiration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.